In this video, I will show you the contents of the package you receive when you buy our hybrid inverter. It is heavy, so I place it on a stable surface. Let's open it, then take a look at every component we find inside. Here's the mounting bracket you use to install the inverter on the wall. Follow the arrow indicator to position it correctly. Below the bracket, you'll find the user manual and a box with small parts. We take a look at it in detail later. I will set aside the box and mounting bracket, then check the remaining components. The current transformers are inside these small packages. We use it to detect power consumption in the hybrid inverter system. We have two communication cables. The one that connects to the battery system is 3 meters long, and the other one that connects to the smart meter is 5 meters long. What's inside the long box? The data logger. We use it to access the inverter remotely via Wi-Fi or LAN. You should scan the printed QR code in the LEDVANCE RE app to start setup. The last box contains the smart meter. Since the hybrid inverter needs the smart meter to function, we've included it in the same package. Now let's unpack the main component, your hybrid inverter. We still need to look at the small parts from the first box. Let's start with the two AC side connection boxes for grid and backup. These are the sockets for the PV modules. Our 10 kilowatt hybrid inverter includes 4 MPPT inputs with 8 sockets in total. Below those, you'll find sockets for optional data cables like energy management systems. If Wi-Fi or LAN isn't available during setup, you can connect via Bluetooth. We've included an extra antenna. That's the end of the unboxing. Good luck with your installation. Visit our website for more information about our inverters.